Hello. So, are you thinking of moving to Elizabeth, West Virginia and looking for a hunting lodge or an outdoor retreat that has 2 miles of river frontage and over 800 acres? Well, you have come to the right video. If you are looking for everything Pensacola Beach, Florida, well, you have also come to the right channel. Go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button so you stay updated on everything Pensacola Beach, Florida. Even the things that you didn't know you needed to know. You can call me, text me, or email. All of my contact information is in the description below. Whether you are moving in 9 days or 90 days across the world, across the country, or across town. I want your move to be exactly what you want it to be. Okay, so here we are on the map, and we have Ohio here and West Virginia here. So Parkersburg is the closest bigger city to Elizabeth, West Virginia. And if you look here, right here is Parkersburg, and down here is Elizabeth. And this Parkersburg is about 40,000 people. It's about 20 miles from Elizabeth, and Elizabeth is a small town that has, here's a better view, a little closer, that you would take like Highway 14 to Parkersburg. And if we zoom in a little bit more on Elizabeth, you can see it is a small town. There's no stoplights in Elizabeth. Right here is starting to have a better view of, here you can see there are a few, there's a pharmacy and there's a diner. So the property then will be just outside of Elizabeth. You would take Highway 14 right here, and take that down to 5. And then you come over to Fisherman's Hatch here, right here. You zoom in a little bit more. Fish Hatchery Road. So we'll zoom back out again. You take 5 and come over. It would be the first road on your right. Then you Fish Hatchery Road, and you come down along here, and the whole property starts right in this area here. I have another map right here. So this here is 5, and then you come down Fish Hatchery Road. So this is the whole property. It's over 800 acres. There's 15 ponds on this property that are stocked. There's 2 additional properties besides the main house. On this map here, we zoom in a little bit more. All these are the buildings. This is the main house here, and then you have a couple of additional farmhouses for the hired hands, and the barn is also there. And so if we go back to this pond here, you can see the river is right here, and that is 2 miles of river, and that is the Little Kahana River. So all of this here is where the land is. It does jet in here, and I'll bring that image back up. So you have all of this right here is the Little Kahana River. And then the property comes back into here. This is there's farmland on here. There's $300,000 worth of farm equipment that is also included with this property. There is, if you are considering looking for a hunting lodge or even a fishing lodge, this would really be ideal for that. There's also over on Oil Rock Road, which is just up the road from the property. That is the 4-wheeler trails. And so you would take Horse Run all the way. So Horse Run comes, meets up with, see this, right here. Horse Run is right here. And you would take that all the way up to the Oil Rock Road, and right up here. And that is owned by the Petroleum and Wood Company, and they do allow for people to go on those trails to ride their side-by-sides or their four-wheelers. So here is another view of the property. So this right here is the Fish Hatchery Road, and here's a view of the river, and then this is where the four-wheeler trails are. So we zoom out a little bit on here. So the four-wheeler trails would be up in this area here. And right here is the property. So if this is a property you would be interested in and you want further information, my contact information is in the description below. And don't forget to hit a like and subscribe and leave a comment if you want to see more videos like this.